So me, I want ask the ladies in the house, wetin you dey crave anytime it comes to that month, that your month. Wetin you dey crave? I tell you, the mixture is something else. So wait and see for it, okay? So welcome back to Cook with Grace Kiswy. So I don't carry another gist come for now today. But before we continue, City, we'll be like to making this dish. I call it garlic and rosemary mashed potato with Greek yogurt sauce. This is unusual, and like I said earlier, that at this time of this month, we ladies can relate. You crave for something you've never eaten before. You start craving for something you know nothing about. So this is exactly what happened to me. I woke up and I start craving for what I don't know. I just feel like, okay, I need potato and quick yogurt, then see me craving for garlic. I don't just know what to do with all this mixture. Then an idea is stuck into my head, as you know. This is unusual. This is unlike me craving for something entirely I don't know. So I have my potato, I have quick yogurt, and I have garlic. And it might stop me. Okay, what can you create with this meal? So I was like, okay, it's like me, I go do concussion here. Eh? It dey like say I go do one concussion here. So what will I do, sweeties? I don't know, but here all I know is that I was craving so badly. So all you need to do now is just draw your seat closer, carry your popcorn or your granola, sit down and let me explain. Okay. So I woke up 2 days ago and I have these serious cravings. I mean, these cravings, and we ladies, you can relate to this more, especially whenever it's our monthly time. Every month we crave for something unusual. So I was craving for something unusual, unlike me before. So I was like, what will I eat? What will I do? Since this craving was becoming so much. So waiting my mind just tell me, we say, well, shey you get potato and I get quick yogurt for fridge. And I say to myself, waiting again, what next? If I have this, what can I make with this dish? And it just stuck into my head. Grace, why not make something like garlic and rosemary mashed potato and use quick yogurt to make the sauce? Sweeties, at this junction, I was like, whoa, finally, it don't happen. When I start making this dish, actually, I didn't make this dish unto say I know what I'm doing. I did not know what I'm actually doing, but my mind is just telling me, go Grace, go Grace, go Grace. That's what my mind just dey tell me, oh, you can do it, my sweetie. That's why I just carry potato put for fire. Cut everything, just dey do as my intense as the cravings just dey come. Na so I just say make I do am. After I don do this thing, sweetie, I no go lie you now. Hey! The taste of this food away. I don't know how I wan take explain am o. But as I eat am finish, I was satisfied and my cravings was, this is what they say, craving well satisfied. So me, I wan ask the ladies in the house, wetin you dey crave anytime it comes to that month, that your month? Wetin you dey crave? I would like to know that at the comments below. Have you ever crave for something unusual? As a lady, let me know in the comments below. Okay, sweetie. And again, I want to ask, will you be eating this food as a main food or as a side dish, sweetie? Let me also know at the comments below. And again, sweetie, make you no forget say cleanliness na next to godliness. So always make sure say your hygiene dey very good, kampe. Also know say make you dey wash your hand before you start cooking because e dey very important. Do you hear me? And please, if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and get notified anytime I post a new video. As a woman, if you dey make this kind of dish, even the man sef or that your person wey dey your life go dey even dey wonder what kind of dish wey this lady dey do, because you can imagine me mixing black pepper inside quick yogurt. I mix black pepper inside quick yogurt, come carry honey drizzle am. You can imagine the cravings, huh? Oh my God, we ladies with a child, you actually. Every month we try to look for something different, some interesting, or some cravings wey no dey exist. I don't know. I beg you, my sweetie, don't forget to tell me where they watch me from, oh, so that I go send you a big hug. I'm actually trying to see if I'm good in using broken. So if I'm good in using broken, henceforth now broken we go dey use for our video. I hope. So tell me, rate this my broken again for this video. Make una tell me how I do, whether I do well for the broken. But sweetie, I will not lie to you. At the end of the day, oh my God, I think I was. This is what they say, craving well satisfied. I was satisfied after making the mashed potato. Then use the quick yogurt to gush the top of the mashed potato. Oh my God. Hey, you know, be here. Oh, I now put rosemary, fresh rosemary there at the top to garnish it. This is what we call plating. So garnish it, then use some rosemary to garnish the top and some eatable flowers. Actually, let's talk about these eatable flowers. I never knew there are some flowers that are eatable. They have raspberry flowers and they have a lot of flowers that are eatable. So this flower you are seeing, my darling, they are eatable. So at the end, sweetie, this is the outcome of the dish. So will you be trying it as a full meal or side dish? Cravings will satisfy, sweetie. So let me know what you think about this dish in the comments below. And will you be trying it? Let me know. Okay, I love you all and see you all on my next one. Bye bye.